Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the metal clamp from the diesel fuel outlet hose. Remove the hose, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the second hose in the same way as the first one. Using the flathead screwdriver, unlock the two latches in the filter compartment. Remove the filter from its housing. Place it in a liquid collector. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Insert the new filter element pushing downwards to the bottom of the box. Then close the two latches. Reinstall the hoses. Screw the clamps back on. Turn the key a few times to make sure that the filter has been properly primed. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.